Okay, today is really a tough day. We hit a snowstorm. My van couldn't get up here, up the hill, maybe half a mile away. And then like 3, 4 o'clock, we have a blackout, no power. But you know what? We don't complain. We just do our work. Look at that. We still did a lot of work right here. Still on schedule. It's just that no power, so there's no heat for the house. Even a space heater doesn't work. We have really a bad snowstorm today, but so far we were able to build the return filter for the iron dirt filter, magnetic, and then we were able to connect, not done yet, connect for the backup wood boiler. We always get this kind of job. Actually, for the 2 jobs we got this. One was outside wood boiler, but this one is inside wood boiler. I like this thing here too. You know, in case of run out of fuel, we have wood to work. Then this is our boiler right here. So just a one zone system, converted to propane. So this is nice because the gas line is just about 15 to 20 feet away. Venting is about 7 feet away. Drain is also close, so everything's good. And this is actually nice because you know what? Straight to the garage door right there. No basement work. So this is our update for the first day. Again, the same with June and Raul. Raul helped me a lot today with his truck. Got a nice 4x4. Alright, so that's it for tonight. See you tomorrow.